Charge sheet was released by us, first manifesto was released by us. Our themes on mining, women's safety, health or education are all clear and concrete. There may be aspersions in the press or in the media, but TMC and MGP alliance will play a major role after this election. TMC came here 4.5 months ago because there was a complete vacuum. BJP and Congress double engine of Congress and BJP in Goa were conniving on every issue. Maybe it be supply of MLAs or purchase of MLAs, fooling the masses with fake assurances or jumlas. Huge corruptions that even ex-government had to expose Goa's BJP government to the people. People of Goa never gave a mandate in 2017. If you see the vote share in 2017, both Congress and BJP put together had only 60% of the vote share. There was a 40% vote share which was just wasted. If you remember, in 2012, Congress and BJP were having a vote share of 75%. They must find out, both Congress and BJP must find out the reasons why their vote share came down 15% in the last 15 years. People of Goa have been very kind to TMC. In 4.5 years, we have been able to achieve what no party could achieve. 4.5 months, we have been able to achieve what no other party had achieved in the past. We could have, in a short period, alliance with a major party, MGP, in which Congress always failed. Congress required 10 years to get their first MLA from Goa. BJP also did too. AAP is here for last 9 years and they are at 6% vote share without any MLA. Tribe TV survey shows that BJP and Congress put together will have a vote share of only 42%. That means 58% is available to other parties. I don't want to elaborate anything more. Please do it yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kakotkar. Today is the 10th of February and on 14th of February, the voters of Goa will decide how the next 5 years will unfold for the state of Goa and for the people of Goa. Today from All India Trinamool Congress, we not only appeal but would like to thank the people of Goa. Thank them for what? We are a party that came to Goa only 4.5 months back. But today, no one can deny that if a party is on the ground approaching the people of Goa, if there is a party which first, with complete clarity of policy and their vision for Goa, came to the field, whether it's on mining, whether it's on the linear projects, whether it's on unemployment, whether it's how the port trust has been converted to port authority, on every single issue, it is the All India Trinamool Congress that has met the aspirations of the people and identified the issues of Goa. Today, whether it's the Bharatiya Janata Party, whether it's the Indian National Congress, whether it's the Aam Aadmi Party, they cannot deny that it is the All India Trinamool Congress who first made their policy, their manifesto, their stand on important policy issues of Goa. They brought it in the public domain first, and everyone else followed suit. I appeal to the people of Goa. I appeal to every voter of Goa that look around you. Look around you. Who are the other parties in the foray? Today there is the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has given 10 years of misgovernance. Today there is the Indian National Congress, who wants to perceive itself as the primary opposition, but has absolutely no concrete plan how to hold on to their flock if they were to get a mandate. Today you have the Aam Aadmi Party, who's also in the foray. In a democracy, any number of parties can come in to say that they will fight an election. But can you deny? Can even Aam Aadmi Party deny that All India Trinamool Congress in the last 4.5 months have got the blessings, of the people of Goa, have got the love of the people of Goa in 4.5 months, which no other party has made possible. Today, if there is an alternative to the Bharatiya Janata Party, that alternative cannot emerge without All India Trinamool Congress and the MGP, which is our allowance. Friends, आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री गोवा आएंगे. The Prime Minister of India will come to Goa. I want to ask him simple questions. Today, if the Prime Minister of India makes a statement that they're willing all 5 seats comfortably, फिर तो कुछ सवाल उनसे पूछना बनता है. जो प्रधानमंत्री मीडिया से तो मिलेंगे नहीं, आप लोगों को पूछने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, पर हम प्रधानमंत्री से पूछना चाहते हैं, your double engine government has given what to Goa? Your double engine government, so-called double engine governments of Center and Goa have given 3 linear projects, which is in complete ignorance of the ecosystem of Goa. Today, a so-called double engine Sarkar, which had said that Panaji will be a smart city out of the 100 smart city with an outlay of 608 crores, can only say they spent 16 crores, that too for beautification. Today, I want to ask the double engine Sarkar, why is it that a man holding a constitutional post of the governor is today accusing the Goa government of corruption and you have taken no action against him? You may have removed him from one state to another, but should you not have given an answer or condemned him? But you continued him. You continued him in a constitutional pace, albeit in a different state, which means there is some truth to the deep corruption that the double engine Sarkar has today given the Goa people. We would like to ask the double engine Sarkar, with boasts of vaccinations, what is it you all did when 80 odd patients died in a matter of 3 days during the COVID attack due to oxygen, to the shortage of oxygen? Today, these are the reasons. These are the reasons that people of Goa wanted an alternative. And we thank the people of Goa that wherever we have gone on the ground with our candidates and with our alliance partners, we have got the blessings of people. We have promised them what they want. Today, a Griha Lakshmi scheme of 5,000 rupees in the accounts of every woman in every household is not Mamata Banerjee's vision. It is the vision of the people of Goa. Today, to give a loan of 20 lakh at the interest rate of 4% to the youth of Goa for higher education of any startup business, it is Mamata Banerjee's endeavor to meet the aspiration of the youth of Goa. And if I may say so, that the double engine Sarkar has given diesel and petrol prices which has gone beyond 100 rupees. That's what the double engine Sarkar says. Today, if the Prime Minister of India is coming to Goa, we welcome him. In a democracy, he can come. But in 4.5 months, the way the people of Goa have given us support and given us their love and faith, and the way Goankars have come forward to take the nomination of the All India Trinamool Congress and fight it out, it is crystal clear. Today, if there is an alternative in Goa, it is not the Indian National Congress, It is the All India Trinamool Congress and our alliance partner MGP. We promise you, we assure you good governance over the next 5 years. We assure you a Goa free of communal politics and the politics of division. We assure you a government in Goa which is free of corruption and clarity of policy. I believe that 14th of February when Goa goes to vote, it is the most important vote, it is the most significant vote. It's a very important decision that people of Goa will take where so many parties are in the fray. And I will only tell the Indian National Congress one single thing, that I believe that till today the Indian National Congress has failed to do two things. Say with clarity what is it they will do to keep the flock together, because admittedly they are saying the thief is out there. And number two, till today you have failed to say that why is it that the headquarters, the high command could not form the government despite getting the mandate. There is nothing that has been done differently by the Indian National Congress from 2017 till today. Nothing except a photo op of pledge. But All India Trinamool Congress in 4.5 months has tried its best to win the hearts of the people, win the support of the people, and I can tell you after having worked on the ground for the last almost 1 month or more, that the response has been immense, and there is no denying that All India Trinamool Congress and MGP will break all records that no other party has been able to break, which my colleague here said. It's taken them decades. It has taken them decades to actually establish themselves being national parties which have been here pre-independence, and we are a party that have come to go in 4.5 months, and we assure you we will deliver. We assure you that your support will help us deliver, and we assure you that we will give a government free of corruption and good governance. Thank you. Pratibha ji, would you like to say something?
Thank you. जसे की सगळ्या गोंयकारांक खबर आसा, 3 महिन्या फाटी आम्ही गोवा सरकाराचेर जनतेचे आरोपपत्र म्हणून एक आरोपपत्र बरयला आणि ताका प्रश्न विचारले जनतेच्या भल्या खातीर, आणि गोंयकार जनतेचे कितें मागणे आसा, तांचे कितें प्रश्न आसा हे आम्ही सरळ तांकां विचारले. आज नरेंद्र मोदी जे आमचे देशाचे पंतप्रधान आसा, तांची सभा जावपा आसा म्हापशांत. हेच आरोपपत्र आम्ही त्यांच्या मुखार दवरपा सोदता आणि तांकां विचारपा सोदता की हे जे सगळे गोंयकारांचे आमचे प्रश्न आसात ताजी जापो कितें, ताजेर तुमचे उत्तर कितें, पहिली ती उतरां तुम्ही दियात, पहिली ती जापो तुम्ही दियात, आणि मुखावेले मागीर तुमकां कितें आश्वासने दिवपाची आसा गोंयकारां खातीर ती दियात म्हणून. गोंयकारांक हांव एक उगडास करून दिवंक सोदतां. 8 फेब्रुवारीच्या दैनिक गोमंतकान डॉक्टर नंदकुमार कामतीन एक लेख बरयलो. मराठीन लेख आसा, ताजो मतळा कितें आसा हे तुमकां हांव वाचून दाखयता. 4 फेब्रुवारीच्या एका केंद्रीय आदेशानुसार मुरगांव पत्तन न्यासाचे रूपांतर मुरगांव पत्तन प्राधिकरण असे करण्यात आले.
हॅलो,
त्यामुळे गोवा राज्याच्या
दुसरे प्रेसाचे आमकां वाचून दाखोवना.
ओके 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 सॉरी. सो पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीन कितें केला की मुरगांव पत्तन न्यासाचे रूपांतर हे मुरगांव पत्तन प्राधिकरणान करून केला. ताज्यामुळे कितें जालें की गोवा राज्याचे जे अधिकार आसा त्या अधिकाराचेर मर्यादा आयली, आणि वेळी मुरगांव, वास्को, दाबोळी, कुठ्ठाळी, सांत आंद्रे, सांताक्रूज आणि ताळगाव, पणजी ही जी आमचे मतदारसंघ आसा, ह्या मतदारसंघाचेर वेचून येता, या वेचणुकीन वेचून येता ती जी आमची आमदार आसा त्या आमदारांचो ताजेर प्रभाव आसचो ना, तांच्या अधिकाराचेर मर्यादा येतली. देशाच्या पंतप्रधानाक हांव एक प्रश्न विचारपाक सोदता की हे गोंयच्या जनतेन तुम्ही विश्वासान घेऊन केले, गोंयच्या जनतेचे जे मत आसा ते तुम्ही विश्वासान घेतले, आणि हे तुम्ही जो ट्रस्ट आशिल्लो त्याची तुम्ही अथॉरिटी केली. दुसरो एक महत्वाचो प्रश्न विचारून सोदता की केंद्र सरकाराचो नारो आसा बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाव. गोंयान महिलांचेर कितलोसोच अन्याय जाता, अत्याचार जाता. सिद्धी नायकाचो जो प्रश्न आसा तो ताजो आसा. ताजेर जो अन्याय झाला ताणी आत्महत्या केली काय ताका कोणी मारून उडयले हाजेर पासून आमच्या सीएमान व्यवस्थित उत्तर दिवंक ना आमकां जापो दिवंक ना तो एक प्रश्न आसा हो प्रश्न हांव नरेंद्र मोदीक विचारपाक सोदता की गोंयची ज्यो बायले आसा गोंयची ज्यो महिला आसा चली भुरगीं आसा तांच्या सुरक्षिततेचेर कितें फाटली 10 वर्सां आमी चड प्रगती केली अशें तुम्ही जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना हीच काय तुमची प्रगती अशें हांव तुमकां विचारूंक सोदता
Okay, I have one question. Amit Shah said. Amit Shah said there is only two parties are coming in here for Goa election. First is BJP and second is Congress. Other parties just like Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress, Shiv Sena, NCP, these parties coming for only vote cutting.
See, both BJP and Congress are double engines. They both want to retain everything with them. They connive with each other. You have seen what is happening. Whatever crimes Congress did during the period of 2007 to 2012, between 2012 and 22, BJP has been protecting them. Why? Because BJP also was a partner in crime during Congress period, and today Congress people are partners in crime of BJP. Rather, they have joined themselves directly. So we all know this Congress and BJP is one and the same. There is no, it's this what we call two sides of the same coin. But you have to ask Mr. Shah. In 2002, BJP plus Congress, because we are saying it double engine, their total share was 75% vote share. Why did it come down in the 15 years of 5 years of Congress and 10 years of BJP? Why the joint share came down to 60%? And why in the current all surveys, their joint share is showing further decrease? And what about the other space? Does it not feel that with such a low share of both the parties, if a legislature is formed, does it represent truly the will of the people with just 45 or 50% vote share? It does not show the will of the people. It does not coherent with the demography of the state. You have to ask these questions to Mr. Shah.
Can I just say one thing? If Amit Shah ji has said, like my friend here has said, that Congress and BJP are the only two parties in the fray and rest are here to divide the vote, I'll tell you something. This is the biggest evidence that BJP and Congress are one. It suits the BJP to have Congress only in the field so that Congress remains in the opposition. And whenever they wish, whenever Amit Shah ji wishes, he can just pluck some people from Congress and bring them to the BJP. Congress is the most convenient opposition for Amit Shah ji. That's why he is protecting the Congress. जो अमित शाह जी हर घंटे कांग्रेस को अटैक करते हैं, राहुल जी का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, आज कांग्रेस की तारीफ अमित शाह जी करते हैं. क्योंकि बीजेपी अगर इस देश में है और गोवा में है, the reason why Bharatiya Janata Party is ruling Goa, there is one single reason, and that's the Indian National Congress. Can any person of Goa deny that? And today, Amit Shah ji, by saying that the fight is only between BJP and Congress, उन्होंने अपना ठप्पा लगा दिया कि कांग्रेस को वोट दे दीजिए, बीजेपी को सूट करता है. और तृणमूल कांग्रेस इज अ पार्टी, और तृणमूल कांग्रेस की ताकत, शक्ति, and what is the conviction of Trinamool Congress? Amit Shah has tasted that in West Bengal, and Narendra Modi ji has tasted that in Bengal. हम विश्वास करते हैं लोहा लोहे को काटते हैं, और हम बीजेपी को ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देंगे, तभी उनको दर्द होता है जब ममता दीदी का बैनर यहाँ दिखता है. We have come here for the people of Goa. Can anybody deny that it is All India Trinamool Congress which took a stand on mining, which took a stand on taxi association, which took a stand on the linear projects, which took a stand on women's security, unemployment? और जो पार्टी यहाँ 10 साल से है और मेनी डेकेड से है, उनके हाथ कांप रहे थे माइनिंग पे क्या बोले। आप 6 महीने में माइनिंग शुरू करने की बात कर रहे, 10 साल आपने क्या किया। 35,000 करोड़ का यहाँ पे नुकसान हुआ माइनिंग इंडस्ट्री का, क्या किया कांग्रेस पार्टी ने? किसके हाथ में that 35,000 crore? Who is the shareholder of that 35,000 crore? Let the Indian National Congress say that. Today, thank you, Amit Shah ji, that you went public on your nexus and your secret alliance with the Indian National Congress. BJP stands exposed and so does the Indian National Congress. Trinamool Congress will not compromise with Bharatiya Janata Party no matter what. We assure you of that. Thank you.
अभी राजेंद्र जी ने कहा कि डबल इंजन का मतलब कांग्रेस और बीजेपी।
बिल्कुल।
कल माइकल लोबो ने कहा कि डबल इंजन का मतलब तृणमूल कांग्रेस और आप, जो बीजेपी के जो अगेंस्ट वोट है वो डिवाइड करने के लिए उन्होंने लाया हुआ है।
देखिए, माइकल लोबो जी तो एक सीनियर लीडर है गोवा के, उनका गोवा में एक इतिहास है, तो जिसके इतिहास में इतने प्रश्न हैं वो हमको कैसे प्रश्न कर रहे हैं? टुडे द फैक्ट इज व्हाट इज ममता बनर्जीज ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अगेंस्ट द भारतीय जनता पार्टी। अगर आप कहीं भी जाके बोलेंगे कि ममता बनर्जी इज सॉफ्ट ऑन बीजेपी, लोग हंसेंगे। बट टुडे इफ आई से दैट मिस्टर लोबो में गो सॉफ्ट ऑन बीजेपी आफ्टर 10th of March, कोई हंसेगा नहीं, सोचेंगे लोग कि शायद हो सकता है। सीधी सी बात है। आज ममता दीदी का आप ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए बीजेपी के अगेंस्ट, और आप किसी भी नेशनल कांग्रेस और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लीडर का जो गोवा में उनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए ना। आज मिस्टर लोबो को मैं बोलूंगी, आप किसी भी मुद्दे पे वोट मांगिए, बट क्रेडिबिलिटी अगेंस्ट बीजेपी, इफ एनी लीडर इन दिस कंट्री, आई एम सेइंग, इस देश की बात कर रही हूं मैं, गोवा की बात नहीं कर रही हूं, बीजेपी से टक्कर लेने की क्रेडिबिलिटी अगर इस देश में किसी नेता टॉप में है वो ममता बनर्जी है। यू कैन नॉट डिनाई इट आफ्टर द बंगाल इलेक्शंस। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
One minute. Secondly, you must also evaluate. See, when Congress wants to raise some points of nuisance value, they ask Lobo to speak. Why not any other fellow? Only Lobo. And whenever BJP wants, they tell Babush. Why? You just think over it.
You said Congress and BJP double engine, and both are same. You said, अगर कांग्रेस सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी बनी और उनको शॉर्ट पड़े सरकार बनाने के लिए, आप सपोर्ट करेंगे कांग्रेस को?
Can I answer that? आप बोल रहे हैं अगर कांग्रेस को कुछ सीटें शॉर्ट पड़े, क्या हम कांग्रेस को हेल्प करेंगे? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, देयर आर 2 questions that are connected to the Indian National Congress. उनको क्या वोट पड़ेगा, कितनी सीटें आएंगी, पहला सवाल। और दूसरा सवाल, सीट मिलने के बाद पहले उनको बोलिए कि अपने एमएलएस को पकड़ के रखे, फिर हम बात करेंगे। प्लीज होल्ड ऑन टू योर फ्लॉक फर्स्ट। चिदम्बरम जी ने आज के पेपर में मैं देख रही थी, ही इज गिविंग अ हिंट एट अ नॉन बीजेपी अलायंस। हम तो गोवा में आए हैं बोल के कि हम बीजेपी के खिलाफ लड़ने आए हैं, पर आपके जो लोग आज कांग्रेस की टिकट पे लड़ रहे हैं वो कहां रहेंगे 10th मार्च के बाद? उसको पकड़ के रखिए। और हम आपसे कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी को रोकने के लिए जो भी करना हम करेंगे, इसलिए इसका एक ही कारण है क्योंकि गोवा के लोग बीजेपी को नहीं चाहते। प्लीज टेल मी कि 10 मार्च के बाद, 10 मार्च जब रिजल्ट आएगा, चाहे वो शाम 6 बजे और 7 बजे हो, कांग्रेस तभी जुबान खोले जब सबके सिग्नेचर्स उनके कागज पे होना चाहिए और हाई कमांड से ऑर्डर होना चाहिए गवर्नर जाने के पास। उसके बाद हम कांग्रेस से बात पड़ेंगे। पुट योर मनी वेयर योर माउथ इज। इसलिए आई एम आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन। To defeat the BJP, to save Goa from the hands of the BJP, we are willing to do anything. But we have no faith in the ability of the Congress to hold on to their flock. And we wish them well. वोट तो दूर की बात, आपके पास अगर 10 भी सीटें आएंगी, 15 जो भी आएंगे वो गोवा के लोग तय करेंगे। आप उनको पकड़ के तो रखिए चिदम्बरम जी, फिर बात करेंगे। इसके अलावा इस वक्त कुछ बोलना हमारे लिए संभव नहीं है। But we assure you, we don't know who is plus and who is minus. But we will make sure, we will do everything in our power to stop BJP.
और एक सवाल, दूसरी तरफ अरविंद केजरीवाल इन्होंने कहा है कि दो ही पार्टियां लड़ेंगी, बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी, क्योंकि बाकी पार्टियों के अगर एमएलए चुन के आए तो आफ्टर इलेक्शन वो बीजेपी में ही जाएंगे.
See, आम आदमी पार्टी, if I may say so, वो बाहर कुछ बोल रहे, अंदर कुछ बोल रहे, लेफ्ट हैंड में कुछ बोल रहे, राइट हैंड में कुछ बोल रहे. चिदम्बरम जी ने आज के पेपर में बड़ा बड़ा हेडलाइन दिया है that आम आदमी पार्टी is giving him a hint. So you see, it is very simple. I request the people of Goa, ये कौन सी पार्टी की कहां तक क्या रहेगी, गोवा के लोगों के हाथों में. मैं गोवा के लोगों से हाथ जोड़ करके एक निवेदन करती हूँ, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्टी को वोट दीजिए जो टक्कर ले सके. और किस पार्टी का क्या इतिहास है आप लोग अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. सो आई अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा that we have proved our commitment and conviction to the people of Goa through our manifesto, through our work on the field, through our candidates. And if people of Goa give us a chance, we will not make the blunder like Congress did in 17, and we will not give you the misgovernance that Bharatiya Janata Party gave. So, with all due respect to the Chief Minister of Delhi, he has given a hint to Congress. So, what is the hint to the people of Punjab then? The Congress in Punjab. I would like to ask Mr. Chidambaram, आप आम आदमी को यहाँ सॉफ्टी मैसेज दे रहे हैं, सॉफ्ट मैसेज दे रहे हैं. आप पंजाब के कांग्रेस को क्या मैसेज दे रहे हैं, आप हरियाणा के कांग्रेस को क्या मैसेज दे रहे हैं, ये भी जवाब देना मिस्टर चिदम्बरम. यू कांट से हेड्स इज आल्सो माइन एंड टेल्स इज आल्सो माइन. You want to get into arrangement with Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. Today's headlines, if I had the paper that will show you, and in Punjab you are fighting Aam Aadmi Party. ये क्या चल रहा है? Let him answer that. Thank you very much. It's a very important question.